Yo, what's up guys? Andy here. I recently visited Japan and I want to give you some pro tips. If you're from the US and you're looking to go to Japan and you want to pay for stuff and you need to convert money, there's some things that you need to know. The first way you could convert money is go to your bank before you leave and you can have them order you yen basically. So you give them your US dollars and they're going to order some yen for you. It'll take a few days and then you can just take that yen over to Japan. I don't recommend using that method because basically they're going to scam you on the conversion rate. Technically it's not a scam, but it is like a 7% difference from the bank that I was using. So kind of a terrible conversion rate where they're making 7% off of you. If you ever want to look this up for yourself, you can just come to Google and type in 1 USD to yen. And that's going to give you the conversion rate. Or if you want to do like $100, this is how much yen they should be giving you if there was no fees. However, if you go to a bank and you want to get $100 US in yen, they're probably going to give you like 13,000. So I don't recommend using that method. The next method you could use is when you get to Japan at the airport, they're going to have like a little place where you can go to convert your currency. I ended up doing this with just $100 so I could use it to buy my train tickets and passes and things like that and just to get going. I believe they gave me like 13,900. So the conversion rate wasn't as bad as the bank in the US, but there still definitely was a fee. The next way, the way that you want to do it probably, is that you can get a bank account with a credit card that gives you 0 fees on conversions. I did this through Chase. I believe it's the Sapphire card. So then you can just use this account and this card when you're in Japan and you should be good to go. So there's 3 ways that you're going to want to pay for things when you're in Japan. First of all, you can take your card, go to an ATM, and just insert your card, select the amount of yen that you want to get, and it's going to give you that yen, and it should be a 0% fee. So this will allow you to get cash to spend in Japan. A lot of places are cash only, so you're going to want some cash while you're there. Also, 7-Eleven or convenience stores are huge in Japan. You're going to find yourself going there all the time. They should all have an ATM that you can use for this method. The next thing you can do is use your card. So you can use a credit or debit card for places that allow it. And that's going to work just like in the US. You insert or touch or swipe your card. And if you have the right card with the right bank account, you're not going to face any fees. And the third way, probably the way that I used most, is just with Apple Pay. So you can set up Apple Pay on your phone. You can use the same card that you're using at the ATM or that you're swiping and just touch your phone to things to pay. I would say 2 out of 3 places allow you to use Apple Pay, and then 1 out of 3 places only took cash or card. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video with some tips on how to convert money and pay for things in Japan. Let us know what you think down in the comments below, or if you have any questions, like and subscribe for more videos on finance and payments apps. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.